connoisseur si Will. And now, eto nga, yung announcement na you will also have acting experience.
Yeah.
Somehow ba, parang dating tuloy, parang ano ba, may competition ba sa inyong dalawa? Yun muna.
Wala. Walang competition. Alam niyo, may sarili siyang career, may sarili ng career. At itong fan meet na to, hindi siya concert. Tama ba?
It is an experience, a one-of-a-kind experience.
Para siyang fan meet pala. Tama. Para siyang more like interaction.
An exclusive date with you, actually.
Yan. Oo.
Parang mga Korean actor na nagpapanood.
Yes, parang gano'n. So, opa ako ngayon. So,
Okay.
yeah. Walang competition. Straightforward, walang competition.
Walang competition, pero you will in terms of career and love life.
Wala.
Okay. At least malinaw, di ba?
Yes.
Thank you, Dustin, and
Thank you.
congratulations.